I'm a 17 years old YouTuber who have more than 5 YouTube channels with over 100k subscribers, even millions of subscribers to my old YouTube channel. I'm making good amount of money throughout my career as a teenage YouTuber with faces YouTube channel by just copy and paste. And today in this video I'm going to show you the laziest way I have been making money on YouTube with copy and paste viral videos on YouTube short in 2024. If you want to make money like how I make, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video for more content. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money through anime video. Well, you may ask a question, right? How will I make this anime video, or where should I have anime video? Well, I got your cover. To make this video you need 10 minutes or even less minutes to get this anime video and make money throughout this way. Let me show you my own tutorial how I have been making money through this. So let's jump right to TikTok. Well, if we come right here to TikTok, let us search for anime video. If we search for anime video, we see a lot of good video that we may have and upload it to our YouTube channel and make money through them. And if you see right here, these videos are getting a lot of views to their TikTok account. And if we take this also, that means they have already make money through their video, and also you could take this video and make money through them. So if we click this video right now here, you may see this video is good and is a really good video. We may click now the share button to get it to our mobile phone. We need to download it now. So if we click the share button, we may click copy a link. You may see copy link. So we may click copy link and we will copy the link to our mobile phone. Now we may come right here to Google and search for TikTok video downloader. If we search for TikTok video downloader, we will download the video through TikTok and make money through this video also. If you download this video to TikTok and it will have watermark, you may not make money through it, or may have copyright strike and stuff like that, and people will know also this video will take it from YouTube. So if you come right here to TikTok video downloader, you may click the first website, or just click the first website that you appear to your mobile and click it, and then paste the link right here to TikTok video downloader. If you paste the link right here, you may get now our video without watermark, without TikTok watermark, and you cannot have a copyright strike to our YouTube channel. So now click download and you may see a lot of stuff to download right here. You may see download and download HD. You may just click download because we are downloading it to our mobile phone, not HD. We need the quality one. So may click download, and if you click download, mean see right here the video is downloading to our mobile phone. So I try to download too, so I can show you example how you can make it to this method, and I'm making money so with this. So after downloading it, let us watch it to our mobile phone. So the video is good, right? Let's check this one also and look how it is. So it is good. Let's go to YouTube also. Let me show you some channels that are making money through this method with their YouTube channels, and I mean a lot of money. Even the owner of the channel said they are making money through their videos. So let's go and let me show you the channel that are making money through it. So welcome to YouTube. If we come right now to YouTube, let us search for another video. First, let me show you the video that are getting some video are even getting millions of views. This one right here have over 128 million views and a lot of views. They are getting a lot of views, and these views all they are making money through this method. So you see all of this, they are making a lot. So let's search for this YouTube channel NYC9 and a Chinese letter in front of their YouTube name, and you may see this channel right here. If you come right here, they say they are making money. They are making money. Fans, I make an AMV edit for fun channel is monetized. That means the channel is making money, and they have over 59 million views to their YouTube channel, and they started this YouTube channel in 2023 February. So this is the method that I used to do with one of my faces YouTube channel and making a lot of money. But there are two things I can tell you with this method. Number one, post every day 2 to 3 videos every day. Number 2, don't give up, be consistent, and soon you will be start making money on YouTube. Subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.